Morning, everybody. Steve here, Rake and Profit, and I am literally amazed this morning because I was checking my final sales from yesterday, and I'll put it in my community post as well so you can see the screenshot. But I did almost $10,000 in sales in a single day, buying items on eBay and flipping it on Amazon. Let me say that again, almost $10,000 in a single day. I mean, it wasn't very long ago, 5 or 6 years ago, I was doing $10,000 in a month, and that was a good month, hustling 30, 40 hours per week, driving all around town, traveling across the country, doing $10,000 a month. Now, doing $10,000 a day, not every single day. You know, my last 31 days is around $150,000. So I don't know, what does that come out to on average? Well, I guess, so it's probably like $5,000 a day on average, but yesterday was an incredible day. It was like $9,500 in sales, and it was 100% eBay to Amazon. Guys, if you are looking to grow your business, and I'm not telling you have to scale like I'm doing, you don't have to spend as much money as I am. Like, we're all in different phases of our business and different, we have different circumstances and situations, right? Not everybody has a ton of money. Some people are just getting started. If I was just getting started with eBay to Amazon, I would start by investing $100 a week, right? And then I would slowly scale as I proved the concept, and as I started to flip items and have more money to invest, I'd go to 150, 200, 300. A lot of people ask, how much money do I need, Steve? You could start with as little money as you want. You just have to understand that money is the gasoline, because when you're selling on Amazon, especially if you're doing eBay to Amazon, the more money you spend, considering you find good quality products that flip with good ROI, good replens, which I want to talk about in a second, the more money you're going to make. And I want to remind you guys, Thursday, right? In just 2 days, I'm hosting a workshop, guys. Check it out. Sign up for it. It's the first link down below. It's a workshop I've never shared before. It's a workshop that is going to dive deep into, I would say, my top 3 to 4 methods for building my replens list, okay? Now, you might be thinking to yourself, well, I can't scale my business because, I'm gated in so many products, and I can't get ungated in hundreds of brands. It's going to cost tens of thousands of dollars. You don't need to. Honestly, yesterday I was looking at my flips, and I think I had like 10 different brands that I flipped. You do not need tons of brands. You need to find the brands that you can sell, and you need to go hard into them. You have to dive deep and find all the best ASINs within that particular brand, and you need to go hard in it, because you have to understand everybody's account is different. You're going to have brands that you can sell that I can't sell, vice versa. And, that's what I'm gonna be covering in the workshop, is how to find replens, the best methods, how to dive deep into brands. I'm gonna also share some, different methods for getting ungated as well. Nothing, I would say, mind-boggling, right? It's all the information's out there, but I'm really gonna share with you just the strategies that I'm using, how I've built up a replens list of, now we have about 3,500 replens that we're tracking. I don't know how many brands we're tracking, probably a couple hundred brands or so. But if you're interested in eBay to Amazon, if you're interested in building a replens list, if you're interested in, maybe you want to flip higher ticket items, right? My average selling price so far this year, I think, is over $125. I love flipping high ticket products, okay? There's nothing wrong in flipping $10, $15, $20 items, but you have to do so much volume, and it's a lot more work. Whereas if you just go after high ticket items, you could flip way less inventory, right? Some people are always asking me, like in my group, like, why is your account health rating only 300? You're doing $150,000 a month. That doesn't make any sense. My account health rating is 400, but I'm only doing 20,000 because it's based on your volume. I don't do a ton of volume. I flip 800 to 1,000 to 1,100 items per month, but my average selling price is over $100. I think this month it's over 150. Last week it was like 220. So that's what I love about eBay to Amazon. You can do it from home. Literally, you can do it flipping 10, 15, 20 different brands if you know how to find the replens, which I'm going to be covering in the workshop. You can focus on high ticket inventory. If you wanted to, the coolest thing I like about eBay to Amazon is you don't have to leave your house. You do not have to get out of your pajamas if you don't want to, right? I run my business from a computer. I'm in the parking lot right now. I'm getting ready to go into, you can't see it, Panera Bread, which, by the way, if you have a Panera Bread in your area and you work from your computer like I do, look into the Panera Bread Sip Club. You could even get a gift card and save like $20, and they run promotions. I got it $80 a year. I work at Panera every day. I could have as much decaf, because I don't drink caffeine anymore, as much decaf coffee as I want, as many teas as I want. They've got ones with caffeine. They have decaffeinated ones, the hibiscus tea. Oh, delicious. But anyways, I could run my business from Panera, from anywhere. When I'm traveling, I don't have to shut my business down ever. You know, I'm getting ready to go to the eBay to Amazon mastermind in Austin, Texas that I'm hosting. That it already sold out like the first week. I think there's like 24, 25 people going, but collectively, you know, amongst the group, you know, the average person's flipping, you know, between $50,000 to $100,000 a month from eBay to Amazon. I mean, it's going to be an incredible event, but when I go, I don't have to shut my business down. Some of those guys do because they're FBM. Now, I'm not here hating on FBM. There's actually a lot of benefits to doing FBM over FBA, especially cash flow and reducing liability. But I could run my business wherever. And that's what I love about eBay to Amazon. You can hire virtual assistants to do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. I have 3 sourcers who source for me. The last 2 months, we've spent over $100,000 per month, which is incredible. Now, I am in a phase of my business where I'm investing a lot of the profits back into the business, and I'm not paying myself a ton right now. I did last year, and it's because my business was consistent from the last couple of years. I was doing about $750,000 a year. This year, I'm doubling my business. I'm on track. I'm hoping to do 1.3 to 1.5 million. So anytime you double your business, you're having to double, if not more, reinvest back into the business to build the inventory. It's an inventory-based business. But again, you don't have to be doing millions of dollars on Amazon like my plan is over the next couple of years. But I mean, for anyone, if you're thrifting, if you're going to garage sales, library sales, if you want to find more books, find more DVDs, find more board games, video games, I flip a ton of business and industrial. That's actually one of my favorite products to flip. Scientific, industrial, office supplies, like items that businesses are buying. The refund rates are really low. They sell super quick. They're very high ticket. They don't give you a lot of problems. Like, you know, when I was selling video games and different things like that, and even some toys, there seems to be more problems. Now, that's just a general, you know, kind of rule right there. There's plenty of toys I flip that, you know, toys are one of my biggest categories that are not very problematic at all. But, you know, there's just so many opportunities out there. I literally cannot believe it. I almost did $10,000 in a single day. And you know what? I'm excited for Q4. I'm hitting records in my business. And who knows? I might have $15,000, $20,000 days in Q4. We'll see. I am growing. I am scaling. The opportunities are there. The narrative around the eBay to Amazon space is, oh my God, it's so dangerous. Oh my God, there's no inventory. What are you talking about? Everybody who's saying that literally has no idea what they're talking about. They're not in the game, or they're just trying to pitch you on a $3,000 course. I literally have nothing to freaking like hide from you. I'm in the trenches. I'm doing this. I see so many people struggling, so many people suffering, so many people quitting and running away to these opportunities that just put pennies in their pocket when you could literally be crushing it. My average profit per flip is between $30 to $40. I'm not special. I'm not the brightest bulb in the world. I'm sure that's well aware to anybody who watches my videos, but I work my ass off. And if you've got a work ethic and you're willing to put in the work and put in the effort and put your money where your mouth is and spend the money, and a lot of you guys have such a brilliant skill set that you've built. You know how to analyze deals. You know how to list. You know how to ship. You know how to use all the tools. Why are you not putting it to use? Why are you just dabbling around in the thrift stores? Now I get it. If you don't have much money to invest and you're scared and it's outside your comfort zone and it's not for you, then it's not for you. God bless you. If you're enjoying yourself and you're loving thrifting, I'm never the type of person who's going to criticize somebody for doing something if they love it. If you love it, if it works for you, screw it. I have to say, you've got to do what's best for you. But if you're in a position where you're like, I want to grow, I want to scale, I want to make this a full-time gig, like I want to make more money, but I'm sick and tired of exchanging my time. Like I want to build this business. I want to grow this business. Come to the workshop, guys. Check out the workshop down below. Get yourself involved with eBay to Amazon flipping. You know, that could be manually looking items up. That could be using replen catcher, which is how we find all of our deals. But come to the workshop. Come learn how I am finding these replens, how I'm doubling and tripling and quadrupling down on these winners, and come learn how I'm not special. A lot of times I watch videos from people and I'm like, damn, they've got some crazy advantage. They're special. I wish I could do what they did, but I don't have that advantage. Come learn. It's not as hard as you think. It's actually very, very simple. And if you just get out of your own way, I'm telling you, there's a lot of money to be made. So with that being said, guys, want to say, hope you're having a great day. I just got out of the gym, getting ready to go into Panera, getting ready for this workshop, keeping the business flowing and growing. And just want to kind of share this big win and inspire you guys and invite you guys to the workshop. And, if anyone ever has any questions, ask questions down below. The people who ask questions, the people who engage, the people who join the Facebook group, the eBay to Amazon Facebook group, the Replen Catcher group, and ask questions and engage and tag me and message me. I always respond if you post in the group and tag me. I always do. But nowadays, people don't want to put in the work. They're lazy. If you're really honest with yourself and you're not getting results, it's because you're lazy, or you're not being creative, or you're not putting in that effort. The effort doesn't always have to be in the means of spending money. There's ways you can find killer deals with eBay to Amazon without spending a lot of money, but a lot of you guys are mentally and physically lazy, and until you get out of your own way, you're not going to be able to have success. So anyways, guys, I don't mean to be rough around the edges, but I want to give you guys that kick in the butt because there's so much money and there's so much more that I can't even touch. I don't have millions and millions of dollars to spend on inventory. So come source these deals, guys. See you at the workshop. If you have questions, let me know. Much love.